Okay guys, PD Tech here with a little video showing my support for Bruce xjet and showing my solidarity towards his situation in New Zealand. He's been bullied by his local council and been prevented from flying at his local flying field, and just because of stupid rules and over-regulation, and he's perfectly entitled to fly there. He's not doing anything wrong. He's been flying there for years. So check out some of his latest videos where he explains it better. And I'm tired of the rules myself and the over-regulation, and in the UK with the CAA, and so I'm withdrawing my consent from complying with all the rules. Obviously, I'll just continue to fly safely as I have always done before. Nothing's going to change in that respect. I do my own risk assessments. I don't need the CAA to tell me what I can and can't do. I know what's safe and what isn't safe. I've been flying model aircraft for decades, so at least 40 plus years that I can think of off the top of my head. So I don't need some pen pusher with a clipboard telling me, oh, you can't see your drone, you can't see the orientation of it at 100 metres, you can't fly your Mavic Mini past 100 metres. What a load of crap that is. Anyway, so I just continue to fly as I have been doing and enjoying my hobby, and I'm not going to get these people push me around and tell me what I can and can't do. And so I'm withdrawing my consent. So enjoy the flight, guys. I'll do a bit more of a detailed video on this, because when you look into the rules and the regulations at the moment, we have to jump through more hoops than flying a paramotor, which is just absolutely bonkers, insane. And we've got network ID coming soon, which is like the remote ID we've got in America. And every time there's a consultation, they just totally ignore the model flyers, the people who know what they want and have been self-regulated for donkey's years. And it's pretty much the safest form of aviation by far, yet it's probably the most regulated and restricted, and for absolutely no reason. If it was all about safety, then I'd have no issues with it, but it's got the safest track record, so how can it be about improving safety? It's more about control and over-regulation, and plus the fact they keep changing the rules, making it overcomplicated, and I just can't keep track of. Every couple of weeks there's an amendment to this, an amendment to that, and they've changed this and changed that, and I can't be bothered. I'm just going to fly safe, do my own risk assessments, and just continue as I have been doing. So, and withdrawing my consent from this point forward. Okay, enjoy my latest flight. Take care.